In this section, we will learn more about HTML headings. So let's see what it says. Headings in HTML are similar to headings in other types of media. For example, in newspapers, large headings are typically used to capture a reader's attention. Other times, headings are used to describe content, like the title of a movie or an educational article. HTML follows a similar pattern. In HTML, there are 6 different headings, or heading elements. Headings can be used for a variety of purposes, like titling sections, articles, or other forms of content. The following is the list of heading elements available in HTML. They are ordered from largest to smallest in size. See, we have H1 heading used for main headings. All other smaller headings are used for subheadings. So the H1 HTML element, the H1 heading, is the most important heading on the page, semantically speaking. Next comes the H2, then H3, H4, H5, and H6. The following example code uses a headline intended to capture a reader's attention. It uses the largest heading available, the main heading element. So, when you have something that is the most important text on the page, you should place it in H1 heading, like this breaking news text. Our instructions for this exercise are: now that you know how to structure HTML elements, we will spend the rest of the lesson building an informational website using some of the most common HTML elements. We have put some elements in to get you started, but you will write the rest of the page on your own. Below the H3 heading that says features, so below this one, we should add an H2 heading that says habitat. Let's go. Opening tag, H2, closing tag, H2. I usually go this way. I first type the opening tag and then immediately type the closing tag and then put the content between, just in case, so you don't forget to put the closing tag. Now let's put the content that says habitat. Click run. It's correct. Now below the habitat heading, add an H3 heading that says countries with large brown bear populations. Below our H2 heading, add new H3 heading, closing tag, and now add the content. It's too long, so let's just copy it. Click run. On the next line, add one more H3 heading that says countries with small brown bear populations. So let's add another one, H3 heading, closing tag, copy the content from the left, click run. Yeah, it's correct. Finally, on the next line, we should add the H2 heading that says media, opening tag, H2, closing tag, H2, with the media text inside. Media. Let's see if that works. Yes, it's correct. On the right side, we can see how the headings have different font sizes. For example, the H1 heading has the biggest font size. Then comes the H2 heading. Species and features are both the H3 heading, so that's why they are the same in size. Once again, we have H2 habitat, same as about brown bears. Again, we have H3 headings, same in font sizes. And at the end, we have once again H2 heading, same in size like habitat and about brown bears. I hope you guys now have a better understanding of headings elements in HTML. Let's continue to the next one.